They should arrest you, or whoever trusts you. They gon' stress you, but I'ma.
Hello.
Yo, baby girl.
What's up, man?
Where you at?
Somewhere you ain't?
Come on, man. Stop with all that crazy junk, man.
Well, you know you don't love me.
I do love you.
Whatever.
That's crazy.
You said you love me, but we never spend time, and you be regular lying. You said you never cheat, but when you do shows, you say you're fucking with hoes. And you used to call me your main girl, the one who you always trust. And we used to make real love, but now we just fuck. So since we just fuck, time for you to pack it. I ain't tryna hear all that talking stuff, cause you done fucked up.
So I done fucked up just because what your friends say. But they ain't got no man, shawty, that's why your friends hate. Them hoes is lame, yeah, shawty, them bitches two-faced. And I call them counterfeit, cause them hoes just two-faced. And I know